Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my video. This is today's question, not easy but solvable. We can create the general version of the questions and then solve it as a recurrent equations. First, let's create a function j parameter k which is equals to integral 0 to 2 pi cosine power k x multiply cosine kx dx, where k is an integer number equal or bigger than 0. The question Q is equal to j for k equals to 10. From jk, we can have jk minus 1, which is equals to integral 0 to 2 pi cosine power k minus 1x multiply cosine kx minus x and then dx. Using angle sum identity, we have cosine kx minus x equals to cosine kx multiply cosine x plus sine kx multiply sine x. From here, we know jk minus 1 has two parts. Part number 1 equals to integral 0 to 2 pi cosine power k minus 1x multiply cosine kx multiply cosine x dx, and then plus part number 2, which is integral 0 to 2 pi sine kx multiply sine x multiply cosine power k minus 1x dx. For part number 1, we notice that there is a cosine power k minus 1x and then multiply cosine x. They can be combined, become just cosine power kx, which means part number 1 is function jk. So we have jk minus 1 equals to jk plus a part 2 of the integration. So we will solve the part number 2 using integration by parts. We know that differential of cosine power kx over dx is equals to negative k multiply sine x multiply cosine power k minus 1x. Therefore, integral sine x multiply cosine power k minus 1x dx is equals to negative 1 over k cosine power k x. Now we do integration by part, implementation by di table. First row is positive, we choose sine kx for d, and then the remaining sine x multiply cosine power k minus 1x for integral. Second row is negative. For the differential, we obtain k multiply cosine kx. While for integral, we already obtained before this, which is negative 1 over k multiply cosine power kx. From here, we obtain jk minus 1 equals to jk minus 1 over k multiply sine kx multiply cosine power kx plus integral 0 to 2 pi cosine power kx multiply cosine kx dx. This part of the equation is always equal to 0 for both x equal to 0 and 2 pi. Therefore, we have jk minus 1 equals to jk minus 0 plus the second part, which is equals to plus jk. Therefore, we obtain a recurrent equation that jk equals to 1 over 2 jk minus 1. The question Q equals to j10, which is equals to 1 over 2 j9. But j9 can be further expand, become 1 over 2 j8. So we can further expand every single terms until z0. Therefore, we have Q equals to 1 over 2 power 10 multiply z0. But what is j0? z0 equals to integral 0 to 2 pi cosine power 0 x multiply cosine 0 dx. Both cosine power 0 x and cosine 0 equals to 1. So therefore, it is equals to integral 0 to 2 pi dx, which is equals to 2 pi. From here, we obtain Q equals to j10 equals to 1 over 2 power 10 multiply 2 pi. That brings us to the conclusion of this video. The final answer of this question is equals to pi divided by 512. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Please continue support my channel, subscribe, give a like and share my video in your social media. See you tomorrow for more video. Bye bye.